Hi, I'm Eric, and this is Board Vet Garage. This is my 2000 Honda Civic EX. If you haven't seen the first video and I actually got it. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. We're at 500 subscribers now. Keep that momentum going, bud. Yeah, I got my haircut finally. I don't look like homeless Jesus. I haven't found the hole for this. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take off as much of the top stuff that I can remember or find. I forgot. This is in the future. I already took off all this stuff, but hey, it's still filmed. Let's get into it. This is not a plug. This snap-on impact is so awesome. I would probably suggest not using a nail as a cotter pin. That's just me. Bam. Sweet. All right, now that all the suspension is all done, got the axles out. There's a few things left to pull on the top of the engine. Here's my Harley. I'll be adding to the channel pretty soon. I got something going on right there. I don't want to spoil it, but if you know, you know. Let's get into it. Want some acorns? Whew. You know, sometimes I ask myself, why do I do this? Why do I do this to myself? That's all good. See in there, I don't understand what the hell is even going on right here. That doesn't look to be up to par at all. I hope that doesn't give me a bunch of crap. That's in a really bad spot. Gonna go ahead and put all this back together without the axle in it, just so when we gotta pull the motor, we can move the car back. Now that it's all chained up, let's hope and pray that my ceiling doesn't come collapsing down. This is just a Harbor Freight winch, but I'm pretty sure this is lighter than, you know, an 8-foot Chevy pickup box. I've put plenty of them on this and it's been fine. But fingers crossed, things disconnected, I think. I got that back one off. Since it wasn't screwed in at all, it just needed to be wedged. So I used that pry bar and a hammer and it came right out. I didn't realize, but the other side isn't held on very good. Thought the mount had more of a hook on it. It doesn't, so this might fucking come crashing down. I don't know. Yeah, so they said there's a whole, holy shit! God damn! Yeah, she's toast. Success! The damn motor's out, finally. Good Lord. But there's something I want to show you. There's something seriously wrong with the car that I didn't know about. So make sure you tune in next week so you can see what it is. It ain't looking, it ain't hot. I'll tell you that. Wow, my ears look big after getting a haircut. With the hat on, at least. I'm gonna keep the hat off. Thanks for watching. More to come. Hit the if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're new here, hit the if you're new to the channel, please consider. If you're new to the channel, please consider If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. Leave your comments. I'm usually pretty good about replying back to people, so. All right, guys. Thanks. Peace.